Once connected, you can now use your phone as a remote for the heater. The screen will show the heater control panel with the different options you can select from. The Heat Mode button allows you to adjust your heat to 3 different heat modes: high, medium, low. The Timer button allows you to set your desired time for the heater to run. It can be set up to 12 hours and can change in 1-minute intervals. The plus and minus buttons allow you to set your target temperature in 1-degree intervals. You can also use the slider feature that is above. The Oscillation button allows you to start and stop oscillation. The app also has energy use and motion detection settings. Motion detection will allow you to turn the heater on or off depending on the room occupancy. The motion detection will allow you to program your heater to turn on when a person is detected. Motion detection allows the heater to turn off after 5, 15, or 30 minutes if no person is detected. It also allows the heater to turn on when motion is detected. This feature works up to 25 feet and resets after 24 hours. The energy usage will show you how much energy your heater is used daily, weekly, and monthly.